small, the same as this. And then the market was hesitant at first, like I said, because is it a toy? Does it really work? Yes, now you got yourself that changes everything. First, the price. The price is so cheap that you can have one activity, use this one, and after using it, you can throw it. But this is very useful. The Baofeng UB5 bar. Okay, when you open the box, you'll have, of course, the battery. And the battery here. And then the standard antenna here. What else that it has? Well, other brands that don't have air set free on their box. The belt clip, of course. The desktop charger. The hand strap. And then the adapter. Now, other people are buying other brands, but following this design. Let's switch this on.
Frequency mode.
See? Very famous Baofeng, because it has a voice guide that will guide you when you do the menu in the radio. Let's say this one. See? It has FM radio. The first one to have an FM radio in the world. Yeah. It has light. Yes, light. And it has a lot of menu that is even dual band. You see up in the up display, it's VHF, and the down display, UHF. So, paying one price, you get yourself almost having two radios, a VHF and a UHF. And it's a 5 watts. Most handheld radios are 5 watts. So, when this came out around 2011, I heard it came out in China around 2009. Nobody was buying it. Before Yolanda, 2013, nobody was picking it up. But right after Yolanda, when the world become to realize that radios has still some use. So the brand that started it all, that changes how radio will look at now. Baofeng. That's all, folks. Thank you.